Hello everyone. So in this video again we have come up with a very interesting question pertaining to probability. So let's take a look. Katie has 5 red cards and 5 green cards. He shuffles 10 cards and lays out 5 cards in row in a random order. She'd be happy if all the 3 cards laid out are adjacent to all the green cards layout are adjacent. For example, the card orders are red, red, green, 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 red, or red, 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 red will make Kathy happy, but red, 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 green, red will not make Kathy happy. The probability that Kathy will be happy is 3 by n, and m and n are relatively prime positive integers. So find m plus n. Okay, so now if we take a look at the following conditions, what are the different choices or the different kind of combination we might have? One we might have where all are red, second we have all are green, next up we have red, green, 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 green. Similarly we have again, say, if we just substitute this green for red and substitute red, 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 red. Okay, next up red, red, green, 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 again green, green, red, 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 subsequently red, 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 green, green. So it will be green, green. No, it won't be that way. Just give me a second. Red, red, green, green, green. Okay, green, 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 red, done. Or all red, all green, done. So two cases. Subsequently, yeah, okay, the order will differ, right? Okay, so another one would be, say, red, 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 green, green. So it will again be green, 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 red, red. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last would be red, 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 green, or green, 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 red. So 4. So total number of cases would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. So totally we have 10 cases total. So I hope this is clear how we arrived at the total 10 cases. So here two of them being all red and all green, and then subsequently the rest 8 are the different combinations of different positions of the card in general. So with that said, one thing can be sure that for m by n, n can be denominator can be something like 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. Okay, so since card are chosen without replacement, so initially we have the probability of all the 10 cards, then subsequently one card is reduced, so the next one would be again one card reduced, subsequently another card, subsequently another card reduced, and subsequently another card reduced. So this will be the total number of, so this is basically the sample space, or total outcome. Okay, so the n value will be this one. Now with that said, we have to figure out for the numerators. Okay, now for numerator, let's suppose we have for numerators, let's say okay, so let first case being all red or all green. So simply we'll have 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So into 2 for both red and green. In second case, 1 red or green, and 4 and 4 green or red. Okay, so this will have 5 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Okay, hope this much is clear. Again we'll multiply it by 2 because there are two cases, either for red and green or green and red. Third case would be third case would be 2 red or green and 3 green or red. So this will basically be 5 into 4 into 5 into 4 into 3. Okay, again we'll multiply the 2 because of the two conditions that persist. Fourth case would be, say, okay, we have, so 3 red or green and 2 green or red. Okay, so this one we can write as 5 into 4 into 3 into 5 into 4. Okay, into 2. And finally the fifth case will be 4 red or green and 1 green or red. That would simply be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 5. I hope this much is clear. Again into 2. So M, the value of M would be first case plus second case plus third case plus fourth case plus fifth case. So we'll basically add the entire thing up, okay, and then subsequently n will be nothing but 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. So if we basically solve this and add multiply all this and add this, we achieve 31 by 126, where this will be m, this will be n. So this is our required probability. This is our required probability. So therefore m plus n would be 31 plus 126 given by 156 or 157, sorry, 157, which would be a final answer. So I hope this question is clear to you, the approach we have taken towards solving this, the different cases we need to consider and the calculation we have done. Kindly go through the problem in general and try to solve the question on your own with the video as a reference so that you can get a better understanding on the same. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video. Hopefully everything is clear to you and I'm signing out. Thank you so much.